god! We finally scared. It's our turn. It's the Luge! I feel like a heat. No, I'm not.
Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe.
Good morning, you guys. We are going to Sentosa. So every time you see my hair kind of tied up like that, you know that I'm gonna be doing something like pretty vigorous. This is my outfit. Unfortunately, I don't have any cute bikini, so I'm just wearing a cute sports attire. We are right now parked at Beach Station because the first place we're going to is the Luge. Have you done Luge before? Yes. Yeah. Huh? Everyone's done it. I've never done it before. Huh? In my life. So cute. These two are first timers. How do y'all feel? But I'm the driver. She's the driver. I drive every day. Yeah, that's true.
You want to stop here? Okay. You want to move forward? You release halfway.
You can do this, girl. Go, go. Hi. I don't know. That cannot move. So slow. You know what's the funny part? Dev said she wanted to be at the front so she can take all of the scenery. Oh, that's what she wanted. But then she was the last. Thank you. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh! That was so fun, right? Wait, we'll wait for one last incoming member. Where is she? I didn't even see her. Daddy, where are you? Coming last member. So it was a very fun day. Yay! Okay, after this, where are we going? Giant swing! No! She's very excited for giant swing. I'm very scared. I'm very scared. Okay, it's paddleboarding. Okay, today is the perfect weather. Let's go. Are y'all excited? Say louder. Paddling. This is what we're doing. You have to come to Ola Beach Club to do this, and you can get their tickets online. Strapping on the GoPro, which we rented from Renticulars, and I also rented the body strap, the body harness, so we can see how it's gonna look like when we are paddleboarding. Right, time to get our tickets. see. Bye.
Bye.
I can't even turn. I'm like wind resistant. Oh, I am strong. I am confident.
Is it heavy?
Yes.
Oh my god!
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
We haven't reached the water yet, guys.
You can do this!
One,
Woohoo!
two.
Yeah, kneel down first.
Kneel down.
Safety, kneel down.
Why am I back on land? I'm floating so hard.
Bye!
It's damn chaotic, dude.
Oh my god, why are you going to the rock? 不要想不开 Mom! 不要
I want to try and stand up, but I'm very scared I fall down. Okay, let's not try take a photo.
Yeah, take a photo.
Okay.
Look at her.
Stay back is like your.
Help me wave. Yeah, okay, very nice. Act like we long time neighbors. Oh my god, Daphne! Long time no see.
I'm gonna fall. I might fall in.
I caught that! This is damn funny. We are still here.
Yeah, wait, guys, let's here. Can we move? Let's go. Okay.
That where you going? Wrong way. Hello? Wrong way. She's going away, guys. See, she's not supposed to go over this one, but she's like there. Oh my god, how are you gonna come back?
Few inches later.
Pedal, pedal, pedal. Huh? Yeah, can. You're moving. And that's show. You can do this. Trust in yourself. Trust the process. Oh my god, and Mong is already there. Oh my god, yeah.
I can do it. Reverse? Where am I going? Oh my god.
1 hour later.
That's me.
She's still there. Pedal. Hey, hello, you pedal wrong side. Oh my god, are you MONGABONG?
I'm not.
Can you all see me? Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. I love it, it's so fun, so chill. Can't believe in Singapore we get to do something like that. Makes me feel like I'm not in Singapore. But I'm in Bali. Whoa, oh my god! Okay, spoke too soon. It's not that relaxing after all.
Love it, so fun, so chill. Whoa, oh my god!
Wow, 美女在坐船
I was the only one that fell into the water so far. Too ambitious.
Expert!
Yeah, I'm very scared. Hey, you went to GoPro. You shot, you don't have to like.
Wow, Daddy! Wow! Whoa! Wow, Karina, it's your turn! Instructor Mong.
Okay, go.
She's floating into the unknown. No, she's gonna crash, she's gonna crash. No, because of the wind. I think she'll be like, oh my god! Oh my god, there's a bird there. Cute. What?
Yeah, like their moms.
Yeah, watching our three kids while they are swimming and playing with water. See? Look. Splash. Where's the other one? Lost. The other one, that is a good girl, it's okay. This one is the naughty girl.
Very naughty.
Oh my gosh, you're very naughty. Dev is like, don't come up. So it's like, I want to sit with you. And Dev's like, I don't want, go down.
Okay, now ask us how was it?
How was
This
it?
is our answer. We're very tired. But it was very fun though. It was very fun. And the good thing is we were like chilling, able to chill at Ola Beach Club. Yeah.
How was it?
I feel like a kid. I feel like a hip. No, I'm not. Hip, Mom. I feel like a hip teenager. Why are we clapping? Very nice, eh? This was recommended by her, the waitress. Lots of like real passion fruit. If only there was alcohol, but I have to prepare my stomach for the swing later. Giant swing!
Giant swing!
Wait, so who's sitting out?
Why, Karina?
Why Karina?
Yeah, why?
I think I was dying. Okay, she's a bit small. I would say like no, yeah, let she fly.
Dev looks very ready. From when the day started until the ship sings. Yeah. She kept swing now. Yeah. What are we gonna do next? Giant swing!
Oh my gosh. Suddenly we like suddenly like chickening out a little bit because we were supposed to do this.
Meanwhile,
Everybody, you see the bungee over there? Oh, never mind, I too short. Okay, everybody run! We have to see the bungee. Run!
12 seconds later.
Hi!
Did y'all see that? Scary!
I am legit a bit nervous right now. Actually, I was fine until I saw while walking here, and then the girls were screaming. Oh my gosh! The girls, you also. Yeah. The funny thing is when they fell, as in when they dropped, right, all of us screamed. We were clapping for them. They finally scared, Oh my god! Scared me. It's our turn. Bye. Bye.
You can see the fear. You can do this.
Alright, ladies. Are you ready for a giant swing?
No! I want to say yes, but she's no!
So are you ready for your giant swing?
Where's the blue flag? Oh my god, I'm scared. Just close your eyes, just close your eyes. Nice function, it's okay. We are like interlocked. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Okay.
Paint the skies. Only you can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
And hello. Welcome back there, ladies. How was that?
Awesome, yeah. It was really fun.
Alright, thank you, ladies. Bye-bye.
That was actually really fun. I'm losing my voice. And I definitely would do it again. Super fun. Check out this sunset. That's like what we saw when we were up there. The view was super nice. I highly recommend coming during sunset time. It's like an added bonus. Anyway, now I'm a bit worried because I don't know whether I held my hand properly when the swing like fell. So I hope I managed to capture some stuff, but I don't know. They're waiting for you.
Alright. So next thing, are you ladies ready?
I have to recover it.
Second time.
First time. Oh my god,
Between us, it's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in season, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away.
How was it?
Worse than the first one.
Oh really? Oh,
Oh, helmet hit each other.
I'm glad. So apparently she couldn't pull it, so they were stuck there with many false alarms.
Then she suddenly. Life is about surprises.
And then Zed says she got scolded from the top all the way until the bottom, still getting scolded. But will y'all do it again? I actually really quite like it. I thought it felt a lot more secure than it looks. Huh? Yeah. Okay, next time I'm gonna ask Karina to come and do it.
Cheers! We miss you, Cheryl.
You guys enjoyed this episode of Vlogmas. We really enjoyed ourselves a lot, and yeah, of course we're gonna leave everything in the description box below, and we're gonna have dinner now. I'm tired from screaming, but it was a super fun day. You all enjoy yourself? Yeah! The reality of like doing outdoor shoots with no lighting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye! We miss you, Cheryl!